How to make your PC or laptop run faster. Disable programs that run on startup. On your keyboard, press Windows logo plus R key and type msconfig. Click Startup and click Open Task Manager. Here, you can disable unnecessary programs that not needed during startup. By this, your computer will start up faster. When it's done, click OK and close. Delete temporary files. Press Windows logo plus R key and type %temp%. And it will open temporary files location. Highlight all files by pressing Ctrl plus I key and press delete. Click skip to continue the deletion. Files that cannot delete may be in use. Disable shadows, animations, and visual effects. Press Windows logo plus R key and type sysdm.cpl. System properties will open. On System Properties, click Advanced, and then click Settings. Performance options will open, and you can modify the setting of visual effects by unchanging the box. By reducing the visual effects or animation of Windows, it will increase the speed performance of your computer. Clean up your hard disk. Open File Explorer, click this PC, and locate C drive. Right-click C drive, and click Properties. In Windows C drive Properties, click Disk Cleanup. Click OK. By doing this, Windows constantly monitors your PC and deletes old junk files you no longer need. This is Third Martian. Thank you for watching.